how do I can make my dress tighter? Sometimes you find the perfect dress but it's just not quite the right size. The great news is that you don't have to put it back on the rack. There are a few simple ways you can tailor a dress to make it a few sizes bigger or a few sizes smaller. We've answered some of your questions so you can make your dress fit your body perfectly. Step 1. Pin the dress so it fits your body. Put your dress on and hold it tightly against your body, as tight as you want it to fit at the end of your tailoring. Use sewing pins to hold the fabric in place, going from the armhole down to the bottom hem on each side of the dress. When you're done, carefully take the dress off without disturbing the pins. Step 2. Flip the dress inside out, then mark the inside. Turn the dress inside out so you can see the seams. Grab a marker and draw a straight line down both sides of the dress following the sewing pins. When you've drawn your line, you can take the pins out. Step 3. Sew a straight stitch down both side seams of the dress. Take your dress over to your sewing machine and load it with thread that matches your dress color. Use a straight stitch to sew down the lines you made on the inside of your dress. When you're done, flip your dress right side out and try on your new snug garment. If the side seams are too bulky, use scissors to cut off the excess fabric from the inside of the dress. Some dresses, like formal ones, should be opened at the seams in order to take them in with a nice finish. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.